Hello everybody, my name is Aleksandra Pawlak, I'm the owner of Butterfly Effect Beauty Salon and PE Permanent Makeup Academy in Dublin. Butterfly Effect is also official sale representative of Hanami Pigments in Ireland and Northern Ireland. All permanent makeup pigments used here at Butterfly Effect Beauty Salon are Hanami products. Hanami pigments are high-quality pigments manufactured in Germany. They contain Novox technology that reduces healing time. They are biocompatible, which results in the ink taking to the skin better and less work having to be done during the touch-up process. Hanami pigments do not contain iron oxidate, which means they are safe during the MRI scan and will not fade to the pink tones. Hanami are unique in how they preserve their pigments. Instead of using alcohol, they use the combination of minerals. The line of eyebrow pigments is divided into the microblading and permanent makeup pigments. This is especially important for microblading, as the blades have to be perfectly covered with the ink to achieve the best results. The lightest brown color, this is color blonde, and color golden brown. Blonde is cold and golden brown is warm. The medium dark color, this is color sepia and color maranti. Color sepia is the cold tone, color maranti is warm tone. The darkest brown color, this is color black coffee and brown black. Black coffee is warm and brown black is cold tone. Hanami brow lines also contains two color modifiers, pigment cider and pigment ginger. Pigment cider is used to correct the pink tones, color ginger is used to warm up the colors, to light up the colors, and also to correct gray or blue tones. If you would like to try Hanami pigments, they are available in the set of 7 pigments in smaller bottles, 3 ml each. To purchase Hanami pigments in Ireland, contact Butterfly Effect Beauty Salon or your local representative in your country.